Hello all English learners, I welcome you all to a new video, and here in this video we're going to read a very interesting story. The name of the story is The Golden Touch. This story not only is going to improve your vocabulary but also this story is going to improve your reading capability as well as the sentence making capability. So please stay connected to the end of the story, and the story is going to be fun. So let's start the story. The name of the story is The Golden Touch. Golden touch means sona and touch means sparsh. That means sone ki sparsh. The Greek king Midas did a good deed for a satyr. Right? So here in this story we are going to read about the Greek king जिसका नाम है Midas. उन्होंने किया did a good deed. Good deed means अच्छा काम. Did means work, right? For a satyr, you cannot pronounce R here. R is a silent word here, so you have to pronounce satyr. So satyr is also a Greek god, right? तो satyr के लिए उसने एक अच्छा काम किया. This prompted means actually making someone to do something, right? So इसने प्रेरित किया. You can also call prompted as प्रेरित करना. प्रेरित किया किसको? Dionysus को. Dionysus, the god of wine. So Dionysus is also a Greek god, which is the god of wine. उसको प्रेरित किया to grant him a wish, एक wish देने के लिए. मतलब इसके अच्छे काम के लिए Dionysus ने उसको बोला कि you can ask a wish to me. Midas asked for everything he touched to turn to gold. Midas was also a greedy person. That's why he asked that everything he touches that have to turn into gold. That means जो भी वो touch करता है वो gold में परिवर्तन होनी चाहिए. Dionysus warned him not to do so. Dionysus उनको warn किया कि ऐसा मत मांगो. This is not a good wish, as he was a god and he knows what is good and what is bad. But Midas was a greedy person. But Midas could not be swayed. लेकिन मिडस ने उसकी बात नहीं मानी. Swayed मतलब हटाना. उसकी जो जिद थी उससे वो हटा नहीं, मतलब वही वो wish किया. Midas excitedly started touching everything. Midas was so excited after having that wish, right? After having that boon, वो आशीर्वाद पाने के बाद उसने excited होकर हर चीज टच करने लगा. And turning them into gold, and whatever he would touch turned into gold. वो जो भी स्पर्श करता वो सोना बन जाता. Soon he became hungry. But yes, every person need to have food, right? So he was also hungry. उसको भी भूख लगा था. He became hungry. But he could not eat anything. उसने कुछ नहीं खा पाया. Can you tell me what is the reason? Yes, you got it. Because even his food turned to gold. Because whatever he would touch, it would turn to gold. That means he touched his food and it also turned to gold. His beloved daughter saw him in distress. His beloved daughter, beloved means प्यारे, पसंदीदा daughter, जो उसको बहुत ही पसंद था. Saw him, उसको देखा, in distress मतलब जो कि है टेंशन में, दुख में, and run to hug him. Actually, his daughter could not bear him in distress. That's why he wanted to consolate his father and ran towards his father to hug him. उसको hug करने के लिए उसकी तरफ दौड़ा. However, she too turned to gold. It is obvious that whenever she touched his father, she immediately turned to gold, right? So this was the boon. Whatever Midas would touch would turn into gold. So that exactly happened to her daughter as well, right? So वो भी सोने का बन गया. He realized then the golden touch was not a blessing. उसने realized किया, उसको पता चला. Realized means पता चलना. That the golden touch was not a blessing. That means it was not an ashirwad, right? It was not a blessing, right? It was actually a curse. Moral. What is the moral of the story? Greed leads one to downfall. लोगों की greed यानी कि लोभ, right, leads ले जाता है एक को, one means human, to downfall. Downfall मतलब पतन. लोभ करोगे तो पतन जरूर होगा. So this is the moral of the story. This was really a very interesting story, and I hope you like the story. And if you like the story, then smash the like button and subscribe to the channel as well. And I'm going to meet you on the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye and take care.